In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zendesk macros. Whether you're an agent looking to streamline your workflow or an administrator aiming to enhance overall efficiency, setting up macros is a game changer. These handy tools allow you to automate repetitive tasks and ensure consistent communication across your team and customer interactions. Now, let's dive right into the process. First, we begin by opening the macros management screen. You'll need to locate the Admin Center icon, which resembles a 9-dot tray. Once you click on this icon, you'll navigate through the path Workspaces, then Agent Tools, and finally, Macros. This is your central hub for managing all things macro-related. Now that we're in the right place, it's time to add a new macro. You'll see an option that might say either Add Macro or Create Macro, depending on your interface. Clicking this will open a prompt where you can begin by entering a name for your macro. This name should be specific enough to remind you and others of its purpose at a glance. Additionally, you can provide an optional description to give a more detailed explanation of what the macro does. This is particularly useful if your team has multiple macros, as it helps distinguish one from another. After naming and possibly describing your macro, you'll define its availability. Do you want it shared with all agents, just a specific group, or should it remain a personal tool for you alone? Once that's set, it's time to define the actions your macro will perform. Click on Add Action, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. For instance, you can add a comment or description, which allows for a preset message, utilizing rich formatting, images, and even attachments. This is particularly on point for sending consistent responses or updates. You can also modify ticket fields, changing status, priority, form, type, and more, ensuring that tickets are appropriately categorized as they come in. Assigning a ticket to a specific agent or group is another action you can take, helping automate task distribution. Don't forget tags. These are useful for quick categorization and filtering of tickets. You can even add followers or trigger side conversations in tools like email and Slack. Remember, you can stack multiple actions within one macro, making it a powerful process tool. As you set up these actions, think about enhancing your communications with rich content and placeholders. The Rich Text Editor lets you format text, insert images, and attach files, up to 5 per action. This flexibility ensures your tickets are as informative and visually appealing as possible. Placeholders like ticket requester.firstname offer personalization, making your responses feel custom-crafted for each user. Lastly, it's time to save all your hard work. If this is a brand new macro, you'll click Create. If you're simply editing an existing one, choose Save. Once saved, your macro will appear on your list, either under Shared or Personal, based on the visibility settings you chose. And there you have it, a newly created macro ready to boost your productivity and streamline your customer support experience.